Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we talk about 6 foods to avoid if you want to build muscle, and don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on the notification button. While some foods can help you build muscle, others can make it more challenging. Half point. For many, health and fitness goals might include building more muscle. Your diet and your fitness routine are tied together. Some foods can help you build muscle, but others can actively work against you. We're not far removed from the new year and the health and fitness resolutions that often come with it. You may be well into a new or improved workout routine with a goal of muscle building in mind. You may even have considered your diet by introducing foods that help promote muscle gain. When you have a goal to improve your body composition, muscle strength, and/or even heal and recover from surgery without experiencing muscle loss from bed rest, then you should consider a nutrition plan that includes protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Rima Kanda, RDN, a clinical dietitian at Hoag Orthopedic Institute in Irvine, California, told Healthline. But in this instance, a little muscular addition can require a certain amount of dietary subtraction. It is important to be mindful of the foods you should limit that may prevent you from reaching your body composition goals, Kanda said. In fact, health experts suggest avoiding the following 6 foods if you're trying to increase your muscle mass. 1. Processed meats. It's no secret that protein is the macronutrient known for supporting muscle maintenance and growth, said Jordan Hill, lead registered dietitian with Top Nutrition Coaching. For many, meat is one of the first and most abundant protein sources that comes to mind. But not all meats are created equally. The American Cancer Society trusted source recommends limiting or not including processed or red meats to reduce cancer risk. The dietary guidelines for Americans trusted source suggest limiting your daily saturated fat intake to less than 10% of daily calories per day, Kanda added. Instead, Kanda recommended focusing on lean protein options such as skinless poultry, low-fat dairy, and lean cuts of red meat. 2. Trans fats. When it comes to building muscle, at the end of the day, the 2 most important factors when it comes to nutrition would be to meet daily calorie and protein needs. Albert Abayev, RD, clinical dietitian at the Center for Weight Management and Metabolic Health at Cedars-Sinai, told Healthline. Make sure you are eating in a 200 to 300 calorie surplus above maintenance calories and meeting daily protein goals, Abayev added. But where that calorie surplus comes from is of critical importance. Trans fatty acids or trans fats are the least healthy type of fat and are generally best enjoyed on a limited basis or avoided altogether. While often high in calories, foods high in trans fats are more likely to cause health problems than help build muscle. These include fried foods and commercially baked foods, such as 3. French fries, fried chicken, beer-battered fish, pastries, pies, and cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and muffins. 4. Frozen pizza, biscuits, cinnamon rolls. Instead, focus on adding healthy fats to your nutrition that come from things like nuts, nut butters, and avocados. This is a great way to reach a calorie surplus while adding nutrition as well, Abayev recommended. 5. Added sugars. Avoid empty calories such as foods high in added sugar, advised Kanda. Excessive sugar intake can promote fat gain when trying to build muscle, agreed Abayev. This will not be a helpful outcome for most people trying to build muscle. Sugars are carbohydrates, carbs, and as a category, carbs do have benefits when it comes to building muscle. Hill explained 3 important functions of carbs related to muscle gain. Carbohydrates are the main energy source that helps support quality workout outputs. Carbohydrates assist in protein sparing so that we use carbohydrates for fuel rather than the protein in our muscles. Carbohydrates stimulate the release of insulin, a hormone that helps shuttle nutrients into muscle cells, ultimately maximizing the anabolic response. Unfortunately, many highly processed and packaged foods are not going to optimally fuel your energy towards muscle building, said Kanda. In this context, avoid foods like candy, donuts, sugary snacks, sodas. Instead, replace them with whole grains, fresh or frozen fruits, starchy and non-starchy vegetables, beans and legumes. 6. Alcohol. For healthy adults, alcohol is already best enjoyed in moderation, but how specifically does it relate to muscle gain? The body views alcohol as a toxin, so when consumed, the body works to metabolize the alcohol before anything else. This can negatively impact the body's efficiency in metabolizing and utilizing nutrients such as carbohydrates and proteins to support muscle repair and growth, said Hill.